Okay, I'm getting ready to take off my intake manifold where I can get to my rear valve covered gasket, take it off. So the first thing I need to do is take off my negative battery cable. Then I start from this side and work that way. I have to take off this air filter right here. Take these two clips off right here. Take it off. Loosen these two right here. I think they take a 8mm. Remove this clip. Remove that clip right there. Remove this right here. Take off this shield right here. Okay. Then I go around to the back side over here. Take off my PCV valve. I take off all the attachments right like to the EGR valve. I think it's like 4 or 5 other attachments, like this vacuum hose right here. Take this off. It's a plug that goes in right here. Take that off. Pull this hose off right here. And then I got a line that comes all the way up here to the front. Let's see if I can. Okay, I don't see it on this one. But after I pull those off in the back right there, then there's 4 bolts up here. Here's all of those are 8mm. Here's one right here, one right here, one right here, and I think it's 1, 2, 3. Then one right here. So it'd be 4 8mm bolts. Also, there's a bracket on this side right here. If I pull this off right here, you can see it. There's an 8mm bolt that goes on the bracket and a 13mm bolt. You take those two off right there and go back to this. You don't have to take off these bolts right here on this intake, but take off these two right here, this right here and that. Take off this hose right there. Take off the rest of them in the back right there. And this whole thing will flip over like this. And that way I can change out the seals on the manifold or go to the valve cover gasket in the back. Okay, I got most of this off right here. This came right off right here. I'm gonna pull these 2 plugs off right here. This comes off right here. I gotta get a wire pliers for that. And take off the rest of that right there. Okay, I got it off. It wasn't too difficult, just be careful because everything is kind of rusted, kind of old. Some of the wiring is kind of frigid. So here it is right here. So I'm going to change these out right here. They look pretty good, but I'm going to change them out anyway. And cover this up right here. I'm going to clean this up pretty good and put some new seals on it. But other than that, everything looks pretty good. So these are kind of old right here. Here's the new ones right here. Or this the new one right here. So it goes in right there. Pretty simple. So got 2 more to change out right here. So here's the last one. I got this little pick tool right here. Just put it in the corner right there and this whole thing will come right out just like that. So it's pretty simple. Okay, I got all 3 of them in right here. So the next step is to put everything back together.